Ever found yourself watching gadget videos and thinking, do I really need this? Well, today's different. I have searched everywhere to bring you 4 must-have tech products you will almost certainly use in your everyday life. Get ready to find some incredible gadgets that are also really budget-friendly. Let's start with this really small and light power bank. At first glance, the Vidya Powerbank doesn't seem really special with its pretty standard 20,000 mAh battery capable of recharging your phone up to 5 times depending on your device. But don't be fooled. This powerbank offers significant advantages over its competitors thanks to its remarkably compact and lightweight design, weighing in at just around 300 grams. This makes the powerbank amazing for travel and also for everyday use, because who wants to carry around an insanely heavy big block just for charging? Despite its small size, it's still equipped with all the essential features you need. 2 USB ports for output, 1 USB-C port for both input and output, and a micro USB port for input only. With a total output of 22.5 watts and support for 18 watt recharging of the battery, it may not be the fastest, but it's certainly enough for most users. Plus, the ability to charge up to 3 devices simultaneously is really useful. Besides those base features, the powerbank still manages to fit a small LED display that provides real-time charging status and percentage. Also in the package you get a USB to USB-C cable and this nice little bag. With solid quality and longevity assured, you can't really go wrong here. All of this is available for just $30, which is a really fair and budget price. While lighter and smaller options exist, they will also come with a higher price tag. All in all, the Vidya Powerbank delivers on both performance and affordability, making it a top contender in its class. Now for an even smaller gadget, we have this stick barely larger than your finger and weighing a mere 20 grams. Despite its extreme small size, this little wonder packs a bunch of different ports. It features a USB-C port, a USB port, an SD card reader, and even a micro SD card reader, all in one compact package. This versatility is a game changer if you frequently work with SD and micro SD cards on the go. For example, if you love to take photos and want quick access to your images. Another really practical feature is the keychain-friendly design, which ensures you will never lose it. Besides its really compact design, it delivers impressive transfer speeds of up to 5 gigabits per second. Also, you get a handy indicator light that lets you know when it's in use. If you don't need it on the go, you can also just use it as a really compact dongle for your laptop lacking these ports. Built from durable aluminum and equipped with protective covers for the adapters, its quality is also nothing to worry about. And the best part? It's a steal at just $10. If you find yourself frequently handling SD cards, this little gem is a must-have addition to your tech arsenal. For place number 3, I have a rather unique product for you, a self-made external hard drive kit. Instead of paying a bunch of money on pricey external drives, you can have the same for $10 with this kit that can repurpose an old storage drive from a laptop or PC. Not only does this save you money, but it also gives new life to old tech, a win-win situation. This kit made by Orico has decent quality and can boast transfer speeds of up to 6 gigabits per second, so it's comparable to normal, commercially available hard drives. Besides that, it includes an extra security chip for voltage protection and similar functions. Equipped with a USB-C to USB-C cable, it's compatible with virtually any laptop, plus the installation is really simple. Just insert your SSD into the casing. Don't have an old SSD lying around? No problem. This kit can also accommodate a 2.5-inch HDD as well. Compact and lightweight, it's the perfect solution if you're in the need of external storage. Especially in an age where data security is really important, an external hard drive offers a safer alternative to cloud storage at a fraction of the cost. Not to mention, it helps you stay organized and back up your data more efficiently. At such an affordable price, this self-made external hard drive kit is a true game changer for portable data storage. And finally, we come to the last product I want to show you, a truly remarkable pocket-sized product, the Sofran SC21 flashlight. Weighing in at just 63 grams, it's incredibly portable and fits seamless into every pocket. But don't let its small size fool you, this flashlight is still really powerful. With its Samsung LED, it can reach an impressive 1000 lumens, which is really impressive for its size. Powered by a swappable 800 mAh battery, it offers up to 1 hour of runtime at 1000 lumens and 4 hours at 100 lumens, which is also quite bright. This powerhouse can easily light up a room and illuminate objects up to 135 meters away. The build quality is also extremely durable because it's constructed from aerospace-grade aluminum, and it even features an IP68 water resistance rating for added durability. Recharging is also simple with a modern USB-C to USB-C cable, and the indicator light on the lamp lets you know when it's fully charged. The port you can find under this protective cover. Whether you prefer to carry it in your pocket, clip it to your clothes, or attach it to your keys, this versatile flashlight has you covered. Priced at just $35, it's an incredible value for all the features it offers. Its compact size and exceptional power make it the perfect solution for your everyday tasks and even more while not bothering you at all. Now you know some of my top favorite budget gadgets for everyday use. I hope that at least one of the gadgets has awakened your interest or that you could find a gadget that fits your needs. If so, then I would appreciate a like and a subscription. If you're also on the look for other budget tech, for example a new laptop, I will leave you a video here about the best budget student laptop